Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, let's talk about how to uninstall iOS 26 beta profile without using a computer. So everything will be done on our iOS phone right now or iOS mobile devices without using any desktop, computer, laptop, or even MacBook. So how can you do this one? The first thing you're going to do right now is, of course, make sure you have a strong connection. By going to settings right there, let me just open it up. Settings right here. Where can I find my settings? There we have it. Alright, so this is going to be settings. Make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi and not you're using your data. Next up, after that one, you want to make sure right here that you need to open up your screen time. So just looking for screen time right there. Now if you can't find it, you can just go in here on this section search. However, I just found it right there. Making sure this content and privacy restriction is turned on. Alright? After that one, we now make sure right now I'm going to VPN and management. So if you cannot find it, just search it up right there. I'm going to type in here VPN and device management. Under here, there should be a select iOS 26 beta. If you're using iOS 26 beta, in here, just under here, there is a iOS 26 beta profile. Just click on it, just like I'm doing this one right here. If I click on that one, simply click on sign off. And basically, you have successfully removed the profile on your iOS. Just enter your passcode, and after that one, restart your phone. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.